What's good, fam? So, the iPhone 17 is dropping in about 4 months, and guess what? I haven't really given love to the normal iPhone 17 on this channel yet. Yup, I've hyped the Air, the Pro, and the Pro Max, but the OG baseline model? Let's fix that. Here's the tea. The iPhone 17 is packing some serious upgrades, and I'm talking 10 must-know features you gotta hear. First up, the biggest leak, the display. For the first time ever, the normal iPhone gets promotion. No more basic 60Hz screens, we're talking smooth 120Hz vibes. Promotion isn't just for the pros anymore, it's coming to the regular model too. Second, with promotion comes always-on display. Yep, finally. So you can check notifications and time without lighting up the whole screen and draining your battery. Third, brightness is getting a boost, from 1600 nits to over 2000 nits. That means even under the sun's savage glare, your screen stays bright. Fourth, the screen size is growing from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, same as the 16 Pro. Bigger display, bigger vibes. Fifth, the front camera, upgraded to 24 megapixels for sharper, cleaner selfies. No more blurry attempts at your glow-up. Sixth, design? Chill, it's staying mostly the same with that familiar 2-camera vertical setup. Both lenses will be 48 megapixels, so quality stays solid, but don't expect wild new features here. Back to the iPhone 17. Inside, we're getting Apple's next-gen A19 chip. Not the Pro, but still fire. And all iPhone 17 models get bumped to 12GB RAM. Bye-bye 8GB. Also, Apple's cooking up their own custom modem chip for better 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth, meaning smoother connectivity and better battery life. And speaking of battery, the chassis is slightly bigger to fit a bigger battery. Plus, the efficient chip and modem means you're getting more hours of juice. So guys, are you vibing with the iPhone 17 normal? Or is another model calling your name? Hit me up in the comments. If you dug this vid, smash that like button, subscribe for the latest Apple news and reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Catch you soon. Peace out.